So today I'll be doing part 3 of the My Christmas My Style collab hosted by Cathryn from Amateur Decorating Like a Pro, and today is our holiday table. See you guys, this charger is the inspiration for my tablescape. You can see that it is very reflective, almost like a mirror. There's the pearls in it, the different sizes of rhinestone. I purchased this charger, several weeks ago from Pier 1, and I'd seen it for quite a while, but the price was too expensive. And when I saw it on clearance, I picked it up. And so this is what I'm using for my main focus of my tablescape. So here I'm just showing you what I use. I picked up these dishes from a store in Winnipeg. I think this one was called At Home. It's affiliated with the Bay. This plate I picked up from Winners or Home Sense. And the bowl that I will be using also came with the set that I picked up from At Home. The napkin holders I picked up last year after Christmas sale from Pier 1, and you can see it just matches the charger perfectly. Okay, so I'm adding the glass for water or juice, and then I'm also adding the glass if you choose to have wine. And as you can see, we already have the silver cutlery on the table that goes perfectly with my tablescape. So I just would like to encourage you to sit back, relax, and watch. and Cathryn from Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I'd like to encourage each and every one of you to support the other participants. And please like, share, and subscribe.